Assalamu Aleikum My lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT 88 Kitchen. In today's video, Allaah Ta'ala, we are going to be learning how to make this homemade tomato puree. So let's begin. Bismillah. All you need is 3 ingredients to make this tomato puree paste. That's paprika, lot of tomato, and chili flakes. And you don't need to even blend the pepper to make this. You can just dice the tomato. Chop the tomato a little bit. So I'll put on the heat now to start cooking it. For the tomato puree, add 1 large spoon of chili flakes to that. This has been cooking for 1 hour now, and the water is getting dry, so I will keep mixing it. The reason for adding the chili flakes is to absorb the water. You can add paprika flakes if you don't want to use chili. The tomato is thick enough, although there's still some water in it, so I'll leave it till tomorrow. I'll set it aside while I continue with my other cooking. The tomato has been transferred to the blender after it cooled down. I'll transfer it into this. See how thick it is. The tomato has been blended. You can see that it's thick already, but to even make it thicker, I'm going to be adding paprika to this. That's 1 bowl of paprika powder. You keep mixing until it's smooth and you can't find any traces of paprika powder. Alhamdulillah, it's ready now, so I'm going to off the heat and let it cool down before packing it. It has cooled down, so I'm going to transfer it to the bowl. I used 3 kg of tomato and I end up getting 1.3 kg of tomato paste. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, I leave in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.